ChatGPT is no longer waiting for your next question. OpenAI just launched ChatGPT Work, an agent that can take an outcome, gather context, use tools, and return finished work. This is not GPT with a new button. It is OpenAI's attempt to turn ChatGPT from an assistant into a coworker you delegate to. Released July 9, 2026, Work sits beside two other experiences in the new ChatGPT app. Chat handles quick questions. Codex handles software development. Work handles longer jobs, like research, analysis, documents, spreadsheets, presentations, reports, and interactive sites. Normal chat gives you an answer. Work can plan, search the web, read approved local files, pull from connected services, operate supported desktop apps, and assemble an editable deliverable. OpenAI says it connects to more than 1,400 plugins. You can watch, redirect, and approve important actions. It can also schedule tasks or monitor changes while you are away. OpenAI's demo makes it clear. Work reads Notion project notes, researches a product, creates lifestyle images, updates a product page, and builds a leadership deck with sales projections. Instead of copying results between tools, the agent carries context through the workflow. The product is not a better paragraph. It is a completed chain of work. Work runs on GPT-5.6. Sol targets hard reasoning. Terra balances capability and cost, and Luna favors speed. But intelligence is only half the story. The bigger change is a model with a workspace, files, permissions, a browser, tools, and time. To use it on Windows or Mac, install or update the new ChatGPT app, sign in, and select Work. Open a project or local folder, then describe the outcome. Add files, constraints, deadline, format, and review criteria. For example, analyze these customer interviews against our support data. Create a prioritized report and 10-slide executive deck. Cite every source. Ask before sending or changing anything. For bigger jobs, use plan mode first. Check its proposed sources, file changes, and approval points. Grant only needed folders and app permissions. Supervise the run, verify numbers and citations, and remember that a polished presentation can still contain a confident mistake. On web and mobile, select Work, add context, and describe the deliverable. Paid rollout is gradual, so some accounts may not see it yet. Cloud work can continue remotely, but cannot directly access files on your computer. One launch limitation: cloud conversations do not appear inside desktop work, and desktop threads stay on that computer. Powerful, but not seamless yet. What does it cost? ChatGPT Work has no separate subscription fee. Limited desktop access comes with free and $8 Go. Plus costs $20 and expands work across desktop, web, and mobile. Pro costs $100 for 5 times plus usage, or $200 for 20 times. Business is $20 per user on annual billing, or $25 monthly, with a 2-seat minimum. Enterprise and education use custom pricing. Work shares codex limits, so long, tool-heavy jobs consume more allowance and may require extra credits. This is OpenAI's answer to Claude Cowork. Anthropic introduced Cowork in January and began rolling it out to web and mobile on July 7th, only 2 days before ChatGPT Work. Both products accept an outcome: work across files and apps, create office deliverables, schedule jobs, and pause for human decisions. Claude currently has the cleaner cross-device story. Its remote co-work sessions and files are designed to follow you between desktop, web, and mobile. It also has a 6-month head start. OpenAI's counterattack is scale and integration. Chat, Work, and Codex in one app. More than 1,400 plugins. A built-in browser, limited free desktop access, and sites that turn research or data into a shareable, interactive app. Entry pricing is almost identical. ChatGPT Plus and Claude Pro both start at $20 per month, with power user tiers around $100 and $200. So the battle is no longer ChatGPT versus Claude for the smartest answer. It is ChatGPT Work versus Claude Cowork for control of the entire knowledge work loop: research, files, apps, decisions, and final delivery. The winner will not be the agent with the flashiest demo. It will be the one you can trust with real context, real permissions, and real consequences. Would you give ChatGPT Work access to your next major project? Or would you still do the final mile yourself?